When you're working with identity and access management, understanding industry standards is key. These protocols ensure that your users can authenticate securely, your applications can authorize access appropriately, and everything works seamlessly, even across domains and platforms. Let's break down the most commonly used authentication and authorization standards you'll encounter in cloud and enterprise environments. OAuth 2.0 is one of the most widely used frameworks for securing access. When you let users log into your app using Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, you're likely using OAuth 2.0 behind the scenes. Instead of passing around usernames and passwords, OAuth uses access tokens to authorize interactions between applications and services. These tokens are encrypted during transit and allow systems to access data without revealing user credentials. Think of OAuth as the modern gatekeeper for web, mobile, and IoT apps. While OAuth handles authorization, OpenID Connect, OIDC, adds authentication on top of it. OIDC lets you verify the identity of a user and obtain basic profile information using a secure REST/JSON-based protocol. Unlike SAML, which uses XML, OIDC is lightweight and mobile-friendly. It's perfect for modern single sign-on (SSO) scenarios, especially when you're working with native or mobile applications. When you need secure logins and user identity data, use OIDC. JWTs are the format used to carry claims in both OAuth and OIDC. These tokens are compact, self-contained, and digitally signed, making them easy to transmit between systems and trustworthy by design. You'll use JWTs when passing user identity across services, implementing stateless authentication, embedding user roles and permissions inside tokens. A JWT is your digital envelope, sealed, signed, and secure. Security Assertion Markup Language, SAML, is the veteran of the authentication protocols. It's XML-based and commonly used in enterprise SSO, especially for web apps. With SAML, your IAM solution, like Microsoft Entra ID, acts as the identity provider, and apps trust it to confirm user identities. While it's not used much for mobile apps anymore, it's still a backbone protocol in many corporate environments. Use SAML when integrating with legacy or enterprise-grade web apps. The System for Cross-Domain Identity Management, SCIM standard, is all about automating identity lifecycle management. When you add a new user to your IAM system, SCIM helps automatically provision that user to other connected apps. The same goes for deprovisioning. When a user leaves, SCIM ensures their access is revoked across all integrated systems. Use SCIM to save time, reduce risk, and simplify onboarding and offboarding. WS Federation, WS-Fed, is a protocol developed by Microsoft for transferring security tokens across trust boundaries. If you're dealing with older Microsoft technologies like ADFS or certain legacy applications, WS-Fed might still be in use. It allows identity and authorization information to be shared between systems that use different security models. Use WS-Fed when you need to bridge identity between Microsoft systems. So, what's your takeaway? Here's what you should remember. OAuth 2.0 is for secure delegated access using access tokens. OIDC adds authentication on top of OAuth for modern SSO. JWTs is for compact, signed tokens used in OAuth, OIDC. SAML is for XML-based protocol for enterprise SSO and web apps. SIM is standard for identity provisioning and deprovisioning. And WS-Fed is Microsoft-specific protocol for token federation. Each standard plays a critical role depending on your environment. As an identity architect or security leader, You'll need to choose the right protocol based on the use case. Web versus mobile, legacy versus modern, internal versus federated.